What's up? 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 Man, I hope everybody had a good 4th of July here in the States. Hope everybody, came home with what they left with. I know we had a good old time. It was a ball. But we gonna get into next week what I may be looking for, what I'm not looking for, all that good stuff. First things first, we're gonna look at the economic calendar. Tomorrow's the 7th. See that we have nothing up there. Tuesday we got nothing. Wednesday we got FOMC meeting minutes. It's a red folder, so should be expecting a lot of volume. And then this is next week. All right. Now, man, I'm still recovering. Like I said, we had a blast on the weekend. Cooked so much damn food, it was ridiculous. But I'm glad everybody had a good time. Glad everybody came. All of that. All right. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. All right. So first things first, I'm going to look at the continuous contracts, see if we are out of sync, see if they all ran their highs, all that stuff. So that's the NASDAQ's continuous contract, which, like I said, all of last week, NASDAQ was leading. And then we got ES. ES has finally went and took in its highs. Use this one. So finally took its highs. NASDAQ is still leading, but like I said, ES is finally taking these highs. So I would like to see that continue to go higher. As far as next week, this is a daily on the NASDAQ. See, what do I see? First off, I would like to. This is based on what I see right now. Open here in a few hours. Could change that depending on where we open. But I see this volume imbalance here, meaning sell side hasn't been delivered, meaning meaning a down close candle hasn't been there, hasn't even touched it, hasn't retraced to it. It's an open gap, and the market runs on efficiency. Same thing here. And then we also have equal lows right here. Again, that's just based off of what I see right here. So this is still open. This is still open. And then we have the new week opening gaps from last week as well down there. And we still have this. So I would be favoring shorts go 1 month. See, and even on a monthly, we have imbalances. Got an imbalance there, and we got an imbalance there. So again, I would be favoring shorts, and we ran a high. But, and I would only be favoring it down into this 21.852. And that would be basically to close this gap here. Again, that's on a monthly. Let's see where that is compared. I'll use something nice and thick so we can see it. Let's go 3 and we'll change it to purple. Like I said, if we were going short, this is as far as I would like to see it go. So obviously, I think we're gonna go. I believe we're gonna go higher, but I don't think it's gonna happen right now. Okay, so look, and that's where that monthly. That's where this gap is between this and that. There's still 25 days in this candle. I mean, because it's the beginning of the month. So yeah, I would like to see a retracement down into here. One day. And basically because we ran highs. And we're at a premium, and for measure this price leg to this one. Premium, discount array below the 50. 5 minutes. Now I'll be looking for every discount array below the 50. This blue line is the 50. So we got a big old gap there that hasn't been tested. We got equal lows down here. Excuse me. So again, that's why I would say shorts. And not to mention, we ran these highs here, created new highs. Like I said, next week. Again, I could be completely wrong, and that's okay. Like something could change. Like we could open somewhere completely different here on Sunday or here in a few hours. And that's just how I see it right now. I would like to see lower prices. Ooh. So this bottom half from here to here is still open. That hasn't been tested. Oh. And like I said, freaking children. New week opening gap from now. Last week is, where are you? Is there anybody out there? Oh, goodness, this is getting messy. It's Friday. Day opening up. Like I said, I prefer shorts next week. But we'll see. That's just how I see it right now. Let's get rid of that. Look at that. And again, on the 1 day, this right here is this. So this would be my first target right here. Like, before we even think about getting down here, I would like to see it get past these lows and down into here. 22,600. And again, I could be completely wrong, and that's okay. Uh, 4 hour, we got this down here. But ran these highs. Like I said, I would see here and then down here. And then from that, maybe we see if we can work up into here. Again, we'll see. Oh, wait, that's a continuous contract. Don't want that. No, it's a continuous contract. This is the futures contract. And obviously, I'd like to see the same thing happen. That's still open. That's still open. It's not letting me move. Oh, that's funny. Y'all can hear all that. That's hilarious. It's like, it is Sunday. Just get my stuff done early. So these are my face fly. These are daily. 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 And we'll go down to 1 week. Again, that's why I would favor shorts down into here, like I said. Oh, that's in the way. I can't see where that is. Monthly. Oh, wait, just kidding. That's a weekly. weekly. I want to see where 1 month is. Again, see, all this aligns within something. Monthly. Five-minute. Look at that. Again, I'm favoring shorts. And then we'll turn this back on and see what lows are down there, if any. Got this, got that, got that. Got equal lows down here. And then remember on the all this blue that we just went back, all these blues, that's literally inefficiencies on a higher time frame. So we'll do it backwards. We'll go from 1 week. Or I'm sorry. Let's go 1 day. So that's this one. Let's change it orange. 1 day. Let's go 1 week. We'll change this. We'll go green. And then 1 month. That looks like a boo-boo green. That's a doo-doo green color. Jesus. But again, see, these are all inefficiencies from a higher time frame. So for my daily, this is an inefficiency. From the weekly, that's an inefficiency. From, what's this one? It's another daily. So 1 day. We got this one. We got this one. That's it. 1 week. And then we also have this volume imbalance right here. So I should note that. I guess that would be my first target in the weekly. Have this volume imbalance, measure this wick, see if we can get below it, then target down into here. 1 month, same thing. So that's why I am looking for shorts. I see all the inefficiency down there. Not the, yeah, that's just what I would like to see. If I don't get it, then I don't get it, and then we do something else. But I'm favoring shorts going into next week. Yeah, see, we're at a high premium with the gap down here. Now, if we open up down here and then go higher, which again, that's a possibility. But as I see it right now at 1:30 p.m. New York time, which is 12:28 my time. So as I see it right now, I would like to see shorts. And then we can even see where this is. That. Oh. Let's see. Okay, now I would like to see shorts, but we'll see. We shall see. Like I said, to work down into those imbalances and inefficiencies down below. Children are hilarious. How you do that? So yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Shorts down in here. Again, I hope everyone had an awesome holiday. I hope everyone got to just chill out, spend some time with the family, and just do what they wanted to do just for a little bit. But until tomorrow, y'all have a good one. Love and live life. Peace. Oh, hold on. How to do that? About that.